My Frigidaire oven, model #XXXXX, won't turn on. How do I fix it? I tried bake and broil and doesn't work. The top stove elements do work, it is just the oven that does not.
Hi, my name isXXXXX will be assisting you with this problem. Please allow me some time to do research and type a response to each of your posts. Do you see any error codes on the screen such as F10?
Do you mean on the clock display? If so, no, I just see the time.
Okay, can you look inside the drawer to the right for the sticker that has the full model number on it? The number you provided is missing a couple of letters at the end. Thanks.
Model CFF358ES2 SAR. NF601141168.
Okay, the first thing to check is the breaker. This is a 240V oven, so it will have two breakers. Make sure both breakers are on by shutting the breaker all the way off and all the way back on. If that fails to fix the problem, next pull the oven all the way out from the wall, take the upper and lower panel off in the rear and check the wiring from the power cord up to the electric control and from the control to the bake and broil elements. Repair any damaged wire you may find. If the wiring is good, then the control board, also known as clock or IC, has a bad power relay, meaning the control will need to be replaced. I recommend you purchase the parts from the link I have supplied. Most companies don't take parts back and/or offer no warranty on parts. The company in the link I supplied warranty the parts they sell for a full year. You can return the part even after it has been installed. Click here to order the replacement control. Please feel free to come back after rating me OK service or above, or for any additional questions or assistance that may be needed. Please also remember that if this repair is beyond your ability, I have still done my job in answering where the problem is and how to fix it. Please be fair and rate me OK service or above so that I might gain credit for my time and effort. Thanks. Mike. Hi Dominic, I'm just following up with you to see how everything is going. Did my answer help? If you are still having a problem, please feel free to come back for additional assistance. Let me know, Mike.
I ordered the part, just waiting to get it so I can try to see if it solves the problem. All the other things you mentioned checked out okay, so this is my last hope. Let you know soon as I get the part.
Please feel free to come back after rating me OK service or above, or for any additional questions or assistance that may be needed. Please also remember that if this repair is beyond your ability, I have still done my job in answering where the problem is and how to fix it. Please be fair and rate me OK service or above so that I might gain credit for my time and effort. Thanks. Mike.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.